again and welcome back to the channel. Richard here again with another unboxing video, and today it's the new 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray release of the Pianist, or the Pianist, from Studio Canal here in the UK. So comes with a nice slipcover, which is a matte finish for this one. It's got the 4K disc in and the Blu-ray. One of my favourite films. This one, rated it highly on IMDb. And really pleased this is getting a 4K release from Studio Canal. So there's the keep case. So let's zoom in on the slipcover and see what we get. Okay, so there's a list of the special features, and as you can see on the UHD disc, there's a new interview with French film critic. There's also a restoration featurette as well, and a new trailer from 2023. And then the Blu-ray's got features as well. Okay, 149 minutes long. It's in the 1.85:1 aspect ratio. The Blu-ray says it's Dolby Digital 5.1. And the 4K disc is DTS HD 5.1. Okay, it doesn't say what HDR variants we're going to get on this. So the assumption at the moment is that it's HDR10. Okay, so on to, there's a look at the spine, and no cutout, and here's a look at the keep case. So no reverse artwork, Blu-ray disc on the right, take the slide out, and the 4K disc on the left. So let's check it out. Yeah, it's a 100 gig disc, triple layer. And the Blu-ray's dual layer, 50 gig. Okay, nice short video. A few asked to see this film when I got it, so there you go. So can't wait to see this. Won't be tonight because I've started the 31 days of horror. It's Halloween season and I can only get one movie in tonight, so well, I could get a couple of horrors in, but this one would be it really. I couldn't get this and another one in. But again, thanks for watching. Please give the video a like. Be good to hear from you in the comments if you're a fan of this film. And please consider subscribing. But again, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Goodbye.